Hi guys, good morning. This is Dr. Freddy again of Freddy's Farm. So welcome to another video. So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to formulate one concoction which you can use for plants, for animals, and even to, for yourselves, okay? So we call this one as Oriental Herb Nutrients, or OHN for short. So this can be used as antibacterial, antifungal, fungicidal, okay, fungicide, at the same time as an insecticide. All right. But before we proceed, if you are new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified always whenever we have new videos. And don't forget to like and share also this video so that now other farmers, other people could also benefit from this concoction. So in organic agriculture, it is very important that we know how to formulate our own insecticide, fungicide, and antibacterial concoctions, okay? So OHN will serve that purpose, right? So we have 4 main ingredients, as you can see in the screen. So we have, of course, our chili, and we have our red onions, and we have garlic, and we have ginger. All right. You can browse, by the way, over the internet, the different nutrients, the different benefits of eating, including this in our diet, the different concoction, the different ingredients. For example, red onion is very powerful, okay, especially for cough, for colds. In fact, it has some fungicidal properties or ingredients. Did you not notice that when you cut the onion, we normally cry, because of the presence of sulfuric acid in the red onion, okay? Of course, including garlic and ginger. They're very powerful for human beings, especially for me because I use it a lot, okay? Very good for, for heart health, for blood pressure, hypertension, okay? It has a lot of antioxidant properties to fight cancer and so on and so forth. All right? So those are just some of the uses of OHN. For animals, it can improve their immune system, especially for chicken. All right, during rainy season, during cold season, you can add 1 tablespoon of OHN in their drinking water to help them fight, colds and cough, So the changing weather, for example, stress, this is a very powerful concoction. And also because it's a very good insecticide, at the same time fungicide for plants at the same time. Okay, good. So for other ingredients, of course, we have beer. Now, why beer is important? Again, beer has been fermented using a good bacteria called yeast. So we're going to introduce yeast in our concoction. And also, beer has a low amount of alcohol. Tasker, for example, has 4.5% alcohol, or 4.2. And why we need a little of alcohol? Because we need a little alcohol to break down the nutrients of the different, ingredients that we have here. Okay? So that's the function of the alcohol. Another ingredient that we need would be unrefined brown sugar. If you don't have unrefined brown sugar, simply brown sugar is okay. If it is for animals, you can use molasses. But since I'm going to, use it also for my own benefit, so I'm going to use unrefined brown sugar. All right? And also, the last ingredient would be apple cider vinegar. Okay? I repeat, apple cider vinegar. So those are the different ingredients. So what we're going to do is just simply put all the ingredients, all right, on this jar, all right, And then after putting all the ingredients in the jar, we're going to, soak them with beer for 24 hours. And after that, after 24 hours, we're going to put also 1 cup of unrefined brown sugar, because sugar is the food of our good bacteria. We need to feed our good bacteria with sugar. That would be for the next 10 days. All right. So 24 hours, soaking them with beer, and then 10 days to ferment it, and then another 10 days to stop the fermentation. We're going to add apple cider vinegar. The volume would be twice the volume of the beer that we have put in our concoction. So that's just the procedure. So I'll put all the ingredients and the process and the usage of OHN for for your plants and your animals. Ensure that all your ingredients are soaked with beer, so that now it will be able to break all the nutrients. So for this 4 cups, so consider 1 cup, 250 grams of ginger, garlic, and then also onion and chili. Let's just put all the 500 ml of beer. Okay, so later on, after 24 hours, we're going to put brown sugar and to feed our good bacteria. And after that, we're going to put 1 liter of apple cider vinegar to stop the fermentation. And again, apple cider vinegar, it has a lot of nutrients, or beneficial nutrients, good for the health of our plants and animals, at the same time for ourselves. Alright guys, that's all for today. So after 24 hours, we're going to put 1 cup of brown sugar and then let it ferment for 10 days. And after that, after 10 days, we're going to put now apple cider vinegar, the natural one with the mother, okay, and to stop the fermentation. That will be for the next 10 days also. So a total of 21 days. After that, you can extract all the liquid and you have now the oriental herb nutrient. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something again today. That's dual view. All right, guys. I hope you like our video for today. Kindly share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up, please, to help our channel also with regards to the YouTube algorithm. Let's share this video because I know it will really benefit our farmers with regards to, insecticide, fungicide, antibacterial as well, right? So I hope you learned something today. I am very happy to share this knowledge with you. And yeah, until next time, by the way. So enjoy the rest of your day. Mungu awabariki. Kwaheri. Bye. Blessings always.